Turkey trot.
I know.
Oh, do I not have it? Does it say turkey trot on my hat? I've got the wrong way around. That's great. I'll change it for the next one. Mile 1, every mile, tequila. Hang on. Oh. That's right. That's how you get through 5 miles. 2 miles. I put my hat on properly this time. There's my ladies. My ladies. That's right. Cheers, my dears. This is honestly how you make 5 miles go quicker. Ooh, and warmer. Ooh. Mile 3. 3. Getting there. We're getting there. 4. We're almost there.
It's dark now.
I know, it got dark. Dark times. We made it. 5 miles. Woo-hoo. 5 miles, 5 sips. This is how you turkey trot.